So very, very warm welcome to all the children. Happy Independence Day. Hello, Dimple ma'am. How are you?
Ma'am, very, very happy. Today's Independence Day.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, you are wearing the tricolor clothes, I believe, today.
Ma'am, yes, because my Chota school said today everyone has to wear the tricolor.
So, ma'am, I have got the flag. Can you show my flag to everybody?
Yes.
Okay, so here is the flag of our country. And the colors are saffron, white, and green. And in the center, children, there is Ashoka Chakra. Right? So, Jai Hind kar do sab bachche ek baar. Jai Hind. I love India. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Love India. India is my country and I'm proud citizen of my country. Right? Yes, children?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll keep the flag on the one side. And how are you all? Let's everybody please wave your hands. So I have brought ribbons for you all. White, then saffron, and then green. Right? So first, we will begin with the picture talk today. Parents, I will be flashing few pictures of the celebration. So let's start our session with the picture talk. So Dimple ma'am, I'm going to flash few pictures. So we will let's discuss about them and then we will start the other activities. So Dimple ma'am, who is this? Parents, please ask the children. It's a recapitulation of what we have already done. When we talk about picture talk, it's like one picture is on the display. We are going to explain everything about that picture so that children observe the picture properly, their language skills get better, right? So the first picture is of the first Prime Minister of India. And the name of this Prime Minister is Jawaharlal Nehru. And children will tell me what is on Nehru ji's clothes. What is a symbol? Parents, please tell them what Nehru ji has on the clothes. What is a symbol? Yes, it's a rose flower. And this leader is popular among all the children. So children, can you all see the rose flower? Yes, please give me a thumbs up. Dimple ma'am, see if children are giving a thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am, they're giving.
Okay, so now we come to the next picture. The next picture, children will tell me, who is this? Who is this, children? Gandhi ji, Mahatma Gandhi. Yes. And we did an activity. हमने एक activity की थी. उसमें हमने देखा था जो हमारी country की currency है, जो note है, coins है, उस पे गांधी जी की photo होती है. You remember ना? So Gandhi ji is the most important leader, and we should always respect the old leaders who work so hard for our country. Right? Okay. अब सब बच्चों को ये लीडर पता है कौन है? Let me see who knows this. Who knows this? कौन है ये? Parents, please let the children identify the picture. I'm using both mediums, Hindi and English, for the children so that the clarity is there. Dimple ma'am, आपको पता है ये कौन है?
Yes, ma'am, ये हमारे प्रधानमंत्री हैं नरेंद्र मोदी. नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी.
Yes, and हमारी country में जब कोई आता है हम उनको हाथ जोड़ के नमस्ते बोलते हैं. So सारे बच्चे नमस्ते बोल के दिखाएंगे मुझे. Please fold your hands and say namaste. That is a symbol, that's a gesture. We welcome everybody in our country. Okay? I can see some children not doing this. पेरेंट्स बच्चों को बताइए नमस्ते करके हम अपनी कंट्री का जो जेस्टर है सबको वेलकम करते हैं. वेरी गुड. एंड आई वेलकम यू ऑल बाय फोल्डिंग माय हैंड्स. नमस्ते. राइट. अच्छा, मोदी जी के पीछे क्या है? चिल्ड्रन, कैन यू सी उनके पीछे कौन सी कंट्री का फ्लैग है? What colors are there in the flag? They are tricolors. India flag. Very good. Colors: saffron, white, and green. Yes. And now we come to the next picture talk. Okay. So which building is this? आज हमारा फ्लैग यहाँ पे होस्ट हुआ है. ये कौन सी बिल्डिंग है? मॉन्यूमेंट है. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, इट्स रेड फोर्ट, लाल किला. And it is made of red sandstone. Parents, please show the picture to the children. It's very important for them to understand this. That ये देखो हमारा flag. Can you all see the flag? यहाँ पे हमारी country का flag लगता है. And it is in Delhi, as New Delhi is the capital of our country. Okay, so now we come to the next picture. Dimple ma'am, what is happening in this picture? इस picture में क्या हो रहा है? क्या आप देख पा रहे हो?
इस पिक्चर में फ्लैग होइस्टिंग हो रही है. ये तो आज सुबह हुई थी.
यस, ये आज सुबह मैम 7:30 हुई थी और मैंने सारी ये देखी थी सेरेमनी. और हम बच्चों को भी दिखाएंगे अभी. ओके, because some of them have missed. Yes, it's flag hosting ceremony happening. And पीछे हमारे cameraman, media man, people are capturing it. So now we come to the next picture. Okay, so what is this happening, children, in the picture? ये बाइक पे कौन जा रहे हैं?
ये हमारे डे डेविल्स हैं.
Yes, and इनके हैंड में इंडिया का मैप है. मेरा भारत महान. Parents, somebody is writing, they're not able to see the picture. Please check internet at your end. Dimple ma'am, the pictures are quite clear and visible, I believe.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, मार्च पास्ट नहीं है. मार्च पास्ट होने से पहले हम पहले सोल्जर्स निकलते हैं, फिर नेवी वाले आते हैं. सो धीरे 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 हमारी जो होस्टिंग सेरेमनी इट इज डिवाइडेड इन डिफरेंट सेगमेंट्स, राइट? सो दिस इज द आउटलाइन, द मैप ऑफ इंडिया. ये हमारी कंट्री का मैप है. सो पेरेंट्स, प्लीज शो दिस टू द चिल्ड्रन. द मैप, न्यू वर्ड वी हैव पिकिंग अप इज मैप. Okay, and here are the little friends like you. Wow, Dimple ma'am, see how cute are they looking. Jai Hind. Everybody wave your friends. Bye karo apne friends ko. Jai Hind. Okay, yes. So now children, you all can identify your friends. Okay, so we come to the next picture now. Here the minister, the Prime Minister is taking the oath and paying respect to all the soldiers. Along with that, people from Navy. आप देख रहे हो नरेंद्र मोदी जी सल्यूट कर रहे हैं. Children, can you all see? Parents, please show the pictures clearly to the children. See, some of them are in white, some of them are in other uniform. ये उनकी यूनिफॉर्म होती है जिसमें नरेंद्र मोदी जी आगे खड़े होके उनको सल्यूट कर रहे हैं. Okay, and next is this picture. Dimple ma'am, can you see a pyramid? They are holding the flag. ये सब बाइकर्स हैं मैम और इन्होंने एक पिरामिड बनाया है. हमारा तिरंगा सबसे ऊपर रहे. So children, please see the visuals we are showing you of the flag hosting day. It's a picture talk session happening. They are all in white uniform on their bikes holding the flag of India. Okay. And a very, very important visual is coming now. This is of today where the ceremony happened and there was a distance of 6 meters in between, and they were standing at a distance because of the COVID. Okay, so आज मोदी जी ने परमिशन दी है, but वो सब दूर खड़े हैं, इकट्ठे नहीं खड़े हुए हैं. so that they don't get infected. All the soldiers of our country are in mask. They are all wearing mask. If you can see, Dimple ma'am, can you see all of them are wearing the mask?
Yes, ma'am.
And hardly any people are there at the background, because due to COVID-19, Modi ji said that no public should come. It is just they can all see through their TV or through mobile app or everything, so that the infection is not passed on. So the last picture of the picture talk, जब हमारा फ्लैग होस्ट हो जाता है तो उसमें से फ्लावर की जो पेटल्स होती हैं, वो जब फ्लैग क्लोज होता है बेटा, जब ओपन होता है तो मैम उसमें से फ्लावर की पेटल्स नीचे गिरती हैं.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
that's how the flag is opened or unfold. Okay, so let's clap. अब हमारी country का flag open हो गया है. So children, please give a clap. Very good. And Dimple ma'am, आपको पता है कि ये क्या है? What is this?
This is the Air Force.
Yes, and they take out the tricolors. So saffron, white and green. Saffron stands for sacrifice, white peace, and green is for prosperity, progress. That our country should keep progressing. Our country can only progress if our leaders are strong. And who are the future leaders? You children. So parents, ये हमारे सारे future leaders हैं. And now we have completed with the picture talk. Let's start with the Sone Ki Chidiya story now. So children, are we ready to listen to a Sone Ki Chidiya story? Yes? Okay. So Dimple ma'am, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start with the story.
Okay, so we are going to do the same story जो हमने Thursday को story की थी, वही story हम आज फिर करने वाले हैं. उसी story को हम आज फिर से repeat करेंगे, so that you know about our story. You know about 15th August, Independence Day.
And parents, we will put the pictures in the group, in the activity group, as you all asked us. We will do it after today's session, right? And you can practice the same story. Now let's listen to ma'am's story very attentively.
Okay, so we are going to talk about 15th of August 1947, and do we understand the meaning of independence? Independence का मतलब क्या है? Independence का मतलब है आजादी. और आजादी किस चीज की? आजादी जो अपने मन में है वो करने की, but किसी और को उस आजादी, हमारी आजादी से तकलीफ नहीं होनी चाहिए. So that is the meaning of independence. बहुत साल पहले, many years ago, India was a very rich. It had lots and lots of spices, wheat, lots of grains, beautiful cotton cloth, silk cloth, gold, jewels and gems. भारत अपना अनाज खुद उगाता था और बहुत अच्छा और बढ़िया किस्म का अनाज उगाता था. Indians used to grow grains. They were very good farmers, and they used to grow wonderful spices, silks, everything. And India used to trade them with other countries. Trading का मतलब दे. इंडिया अनाज देता था, सिल्क देता था, स्पाइसेस देता था, और उसके बदले में उसे सोना मिलता था. बिकॉज तभी we were not using money, we were not using coins. तभी हम coins और money use नहीं करते थे. तो इसलिए भारत जो भी चीजें दूसरे देशों को देता था, पर्शिया, इंग्लैंड, then अफगानिस्तान, all these places, इंडिया जब चीजें देता था तो उसे उसके बदले में gold मिलता था. They used to get gold, and that is why India was called the golden bird, या सोने की चिड़िया. इंडिया को सोने की चिड़िया कहा जाता था. But फिर कुछ सालों बाद पता नहीं क्या हुआ, कुछ तो गड़बड़ हो गई, something happened and we had invaders come to our country. We had people who came, कुछ लोग आए और उन्होंने,
मैम व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इन्वेडर?
यस मैम बता रही हूँ, कुछ लोग आए और उन्होंने इंडिया को इन्वेड कर लिया, इंडिया पर कब्जा कर लिया और बोला कि अब इंडिया पर तो हमारा राज रहेगा, हम इंडिया को रूल करेंगे, हम इंडिया पे हमारा राज चलाएंगे। तो पहले मुगल्स आए, फिर पोर्चुगीज आए, फिर डच पीपल आए और फ्रेंच भी आए और लास्ट में ब्रिटिशर्स भी आए। ब्रिटिशर्स आए और वो तो हमारे कंट्री में रह ही गए, वो दे स्टार्टेड स्टेइंग इन आवर कंट्री, they were not coming only for trading, but they came and they started staying. And after they started staying, they started troubling the Indians. They were very, very cruel. वो इंडियंस पे, भारतीय लोगों पे बहुत सारा अत्याचार करते थे। ना हम हमारी मर्जी से खा सकते थे, ना हम हमारी मर्जी से अनाज उगा सकते थे। We could not even go to schools which we liked. वो हमें स्कूल में भी पढ़ने नहीं देते थे, बिकॉज क्योंकि उनको लगता था कि अगर इंडियंस पढ़ जाएंगे वो तो होशियार हो जाएंगे, फिर हम तो कैसे रूल करेंगे इंडिया पे। सो दे started making people live like as if to say they were staying in a jail. और ये सारी चीजें हमारे भारत के कुछ लोगों को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आई, they did not like it. So our great freedom fighters, one of them was महात्मा गांधी, जिसे हम फादर ऑफ द नेशन या बापू भी कहते हैं प्यार से। So Mahatma Gandhi decided, he says, we will fight with the British non-violence. Non-violence का मतलब है अहिंसा, मतलब हम ये झगड़ा नहीं करेंगे, एक दूसरे को हम मारेंगे नहीं, मारपीट नहीं करेंगे, खून नहीं बहाएंगे, बट शांति से हम हमारी आजादी मिलवाएंगे। तो ये बात बहुत सारे लोगों को पसंद आ गया। लॉट ऑफ पीपल लाइक्ड इट एंड thousands and thousands of them all got together and decided to follow Mahatma Gandhi. So the first satyagraha means where you decide that you are going to go and talk out things with the government, जहां पर आप जाकर जो अत्याचार कर रहे हैं उनके खिलाफ आवाज उठाओगे। तो सबसे पहले सत्याग्रह किया गांधी जी ने, वो था डांडी मार्च का। डांडी गुजरात में एक जगह है, इट इज अ प्लेस इन गुजरात वेयर मैक्सिमम सॉल्ट व्हिच इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन इंडिया इज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड। और ब्रिटिशर्स ने क्या किया था, ब्रिटिशर्स ने सॉल्ट पर टैक्स लगा दिया था। अब सॉल्ट जैसी चीज जो हमारे सब्जी में इतना बढ़िया टेस्ट लेकर आती है, उसी पे अगर टैक्स लग गया, ये तो बहुत जुल्म की बात है। दिस इज वेरी वेरी क्रूअल, it was a cruelty. So Mahatma Gandhi decided and he took out the Dandi March. He walked with thousands and thousands of men, women, children to Dandi and broke the Salt Act. फिर उसके बाद और भी बहुत सारे हमारे फ्रीडम फाइटर्स आ गए। They also decided कि also going to fight for our country. Like we had रानी लक्ष्मीबाई ऑफ झांसी, जिन्होंने कहा, सबसे पहले कहा था, मैं मेरी झांसी हरगिज नहीं दूंगी। फिर चंद्रशेखर आजाद भी थे, भगत सिंह थे, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, लोकमान्य तिलक, मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आजाद, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, लाला लाजपत राय, सुखदेव, और ऐसे बहुत सारे हमारे फ्रीडम फाइटर्स थे। There were many freedom fighters who lost their lives for the freedom of India, जिन्होंने अपना बलिदान दे दिया कि भारत को उसकी आजादी मिले। और फिर 1942 में सारे लोग इकट्ठा हो गए और उन्होंने क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट चलाई। क्विट इंडिया मतलब भारत छोड़ो, भारत छोड़ो मूवमेंट चलाई और ने साथ में मिलकर कहना शुरू कर दिया, लीव इंडिया, भारत छोड़ो, भारत छोड़ो। एंड फिर ब्रिटिशर्स को लगा कि ओ, अब तो भारतीय बहुत स्ट्रांग होंगे, अब तो हम यहाँ नहीं रह सकते। और लोग सिर्फ फ्रीडम फाइटर्स ही नहीं थे, बहुत सारे घरों घरों से लोग निकल कर आजादी की लड़ाई लड़ने जाते थे। ना वो धूप देखते थे, ना छांव, नो रेन, cold, winter, summer, everything. They used to leave their houses and they used to go and fight for the freedom of the country. And then on the 15th of August 1947, 15 अगस्त 1947 में बहुत सारा बलिदान और स्ट्रगल और झगड़े के साथ इंडिया को फ्रीडम मिल गया। इंडिया गॉट इट्स फ्रीडम। And on the midnight of 15th of August, our first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he hoisted the national flag on the Red Fort. उन्होंने हमारा तिरंगा लाल किले पे लहराया। And then we got independence. तो आज भी जब हम झंडे को लेकर चलते हैं, हम बहुत सारे प्राइड और गर्व से साथ झंडा लहराते हैं। और झंडा हाथ में पकड़कर हम लोग हर बार एक ही चीज बोलते हैं, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। तो जो झंडा है हमारा, ये हमारी प्राइड है। इट इज आवर प्राइड. It is like the address of our country, India. So that is how it is about our India. And now the special thing about India is that we are the only country in the world where we speak 1600 different languages. अकेला ऐसा देश है पूरी दुनिया में जिसमें 16,000 भाषाएं बोली 1600 भाषाएं बोली जाती हैं। और भारत एक ऐसा देश है जहां पर 6,400 डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज के लोग मिलजुल कर साथ में रहते हैं। हिंदूज, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई, गुजराती, मारवाड़ी, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, सारे जो साथ में मिलकर रहते हैं। सो बच्चों, आप भी प्रॉमिस करो कि जैसे ये सब लोग साथ में मिलकर रहते हैं, आप भी भारत माँ के लिए साथ में मिलजुल कर रहोगे। ठीक है?
Very nice. Let's clap now. The story is over. Let's clap and say Jai Hind.
जय हिंद।
Yes. Now parents, we can do a simple activity. घर पे बच्चों को आप एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करो चौक के साथ और उसके फ्लोर के ऊपर और उसके बीच में खड़े कर दो and tell them don't move from here. Okay? So you tell कि हमारे जो इंडियंस थे, हमें भी ऐसे एक एरिया डेजिग्नेट किया था कि आपने यहाँ से नहीं हिलना. So they will understand कि it is so difficult to stay at one place. Okay, and similarly parents, if you have birds, बच्चों अगर आपके घर में birds हैं, उनको बंद नहीं रखो, let them be free. A very important message, बहुत सारे parents, बहुत सारे बच्चों के घर में birds हैं, उनको केज में बंद कर देते हैं. Just imagine अगर आपको कोई केज में बंद कर दे, आपको अच्छा लगेगा? We should not torture the wildlife. So very important message, let everybody be free because it's free country, it's free India, right? So parents, do the small task with the children when they are free. Make a circle with the boundary line. You can use paint, you can use chalk. एक corner पे बनाइए, उसके बाद बच्चों को बोले you stay here, and you can do a role play so that they can understand the story better, because they're small. Some words are a little difficult, but if we enact, we get in the role play, they understand the concepts better, right? So I can see all the children beautifully dressed up in tricolor clothes. And parents, a very important request, जब आप tricolor clothes इनके रखोगे या इन्होंने जो flags बनाए हैं, please preserve them. That is our symbol. ये मत करना कि इसको आप dustbin में फेंक दो, because this is the identity of being an Indian, right? So now let's start with a quiz. Quiz में we will see pictures on the screen with two options. It's objective, like we do in my Chhota school, objective assessment. So it's a part of that. For the people who have just joined, we have completed the picture talk, we have completed the storytelling, and now we are beginning with the quiz. Parents, let the children see the picture. It is very easy. जो हम करा चुके हैं उसी की picture screen पे होगी, बस बच्चों को आपको बताना है कि ये चीज क्या है. हम 2 options देंगे and you will write quickly in the chat box. Right? So are we ready for the quiz? Mothers, I want your support. Let's all show a thumbs up if we are ready. And कई लोगों ने कैमरा बंद किया हुआ है. I request them, please camera on कर लीजिए. If you are teachers, you educators, if you are proud of your country, the camera should not be off. We want to connect with everybody, right? The session is for everybody. It's for parents, it's for children, it's for educators. So let the cameras be on throughout the session. Very good. So Dimple ma'am, we are ready for the quiz and very excited too. Okay, yes, so let's start with the first question.
Okay,
Parents, don't answer. Let the children first tell you the answer. So we are going to quickly start with our quiz time. Now quiz is very important. बच्चे जब वो देखेंगे, identify करेंगे, they will know it better. So Dimple ma'am, should I ask the first question?
Ma'am, is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am. So ma'am, should I ask the first question?
Yes, ma'am. You ask the first question, I'll ask the second question.
Yeah, so it will be in rotation. First question I will ask, second Dimple ma'am, third I, fourth Dimple ma'am, right? So the first question on your screen is, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति शुरू हो गया. National flag is known as what? There are 2 options. Jhanda, Tiranga.
Tiranga, so very good.
Very good. Please clap for the children. Tiranga means 3 rangon wala, 3 color, tricolor, saffron, white and green. So Tiranga is the right answer. Now second question on your screen.
Okay, so your second question is, the national flower of India is rose or lotus? Let me see the answers. Lotus, wow, very good.
Okay, now we come to the third question.
Third question for you, Sheetal ma'am.
Okay. Oh, this is a very easy one. The national fruit of India is banana or mango? Banana or mango? What is the national fruit? Oh, somebody is writing Maggie. It's not Maggie, it's mango.
Mango.
Okay, so the next question on your screen.
Okay, the next question is, the national animal of India is the Royal Bengal tiger or the white tiger?
There are 2 options. Both have tiger, but is it Royal Bengal tiger or the white tiger? So please ask your children. And I want children, please see the tiger, the ferocious tiger on the screen. Okay, so what's the answer?
What is the answer? Quick. Royal Bengal tiger. Yes. Now let's go to the next question.
Okay, so the next question on the screen. National vegetable. It is the heaviest vegetable. बड़ी vegetable होती है, ये खाने में बहुत tasty होती है, sabzi. Which is the national vegetable, children?
Wow, and everyone is saying pumpkin.
And what color is pumpkin, children? Can you tell me? What color is pumpkin? Yes, it's yellow from
Yellow.
inside and the skin is green, right? And it has
Sometimes
little,
green and sometimes orange.
and ma'am, little white seeds are also there, is it?
Yes.
Okay, so the next question on the screen.
The national river, is it Jamuna or is it Ganga?
रिवर होती है जहाँ पे पानी चलता है बच्चों. So I think they all know the river. What is river? But हमारी country की national river नदी कौन सी है? Okay, the answer, ma'am, is Ganga.
Very good, correct answer. Now the next one.
The national reptile, is it cobra or is it king cobra? Parents, there are two options. हमारी country का national reptile क्या है? Cobra है कि king cobra है? So the children have to identify and tell the right answer. It is king cobra.
Cobra.
All the children make snake with your hand and let's make a sound of hiss. Can we see the children making? Hiss. Hiss. Yes, very nice. So the next question on the screen.
Okay, and the next question. The national aquatic animal, is it the dolphin or is it the river dolphin?
वाओ, पानी. हमारी कंट्री का कौन सा एनिमल है जो नेशनल एनिमल है और जो पानी में रहता है? सो डिम्पल मैम ने दो ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, डॉल्फिन है कि रिवर डॉल्फिन है. प्लीज सी द ऑप्शन एंड चैट बॉक्स में लिखिए. National aquatic animal. Aquatic means the ones who live in the water, right? So Dimple ma'am, can we check the answers in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am. They're all saying river dolphin.
Okay, so the next question.
And the next question is
Very good,
the
ma'am.
national tree.
All kids are very intelligent.
Yes. Is it the banyan tree or the peepal tree?
नेशनल ट्री, बड़ा ट्री कौन सा है बच्चों हमारी कंट्री का जो सबसे पुराना है एंड जो नेशनल ट्री है? मैम ने टू ऑप्शंस दिए हैं एंड कितना बिग ट्री है एंड वी हैव डन दिस, सो क्विकली टेल द आंसर.
Yes, and ma'am, they're all saying banyan tree.
Very good. Let's clap for all the children. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Very good. So the next question.
Next question.
Oh my God.
The national bird.
Most beautiful bird. Okay, so the answer is peacock. Very good. It's a national bird. हमारी country की national bird का नाम है peacock. Yes.
And now the last one, the national game. Is it cricket?
The national.
Or is it hockey?
National game of India. What is it? Children, quickly tell the answer. It's what is it? Cricket है कि hockey है? कौन सी national game है हमारी country की? Arika, sit attentively. No sleeping. Thank you. Okay, so the answer is hockey. The hockey is the national game of India and it is played with a small white ball and a stick, right? So Dimple ma'am, let's start with my quick game. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the game? Parents, बहुत ध्यान से सुनना. It is based on the numbers. मैं आपको एक कोलाज दिखाऊंगी स्क्रीन के ऊपर. कोलाज में कहीं नंबर्स छुपे हुए हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6. मतलब वन पिक्चर स्क्रीन पे आएगी जो 1 सेकेंड के लिए रहेगी. एंड द पेरेंट्स यू हैव टू क्विकली सी उसमें कौन से नंबर्स है. मतलब 1 सेकेंड के लिए मैं पिक्चर फ्लैश करूंगी. आई विल स्टॉप द पिक्चर इमीडिएटली. सो व्हेन आई शो यू ऑन द स्क्रीन यू शुड नो द राइट नंबर्स, राइट? Why we are playing this activity? Because with this the observation skills of the children become strong. right? When they see some picture and immediately, you know, if the picture is not there, you ask them, what did you see on the screen? Which number? So that's how they get more attentive. And next time when you talk to them about something, they will see with more concentration. So the game is observation game. There's a collage and it has hidden numbers. Uspe numbers likhe hain. Immediately the children have to identify the numbers and tell me afterwards in the chat box, right? Usme kahin alphabets bhi hain, numbers bhi hain. So let me start the game. Dimple ma'am, is everybody ready? Because picture Dimple ma'am sirf 1 minute ke liye flash hoegi. Are we
ठीक है
ready?
मैम.
Okay. So parents, 1, 2, 3, please quickly concentrate on the screen. The picture will be flashed for a minute, not a minute, also less than a minute, for few seconds. After that, the picture will be stopped. Okay? So children have to see उसमें कौन कौन से numbers थे. Only numbers, alphabets नहीं, सिर्फ numbers की बात कर रही हूँ मैं. So here is the picture on the screen. 1, 2, 3. Quickly see, the picture will be stopped. Dimple ma'am, is the picture visible?
Yes ma'am.
So there are numbers hidden between 1 to 10. Please see it carefully. 1 कहाँ लिखा है, 2 कहाँ है, 3 कहाँ है, 4 कहाँ है. हो सकता है 9 missing हो सकता है 4 missing हो, and the picture is stopped. Because I know parents, some of you are very smart. You can take a snapshot. So that's why. Okay, ma'am, how quick? Parents, आप ये अपने आप answers लिख रहे हैं कि बच्चे बता रहे हैं? Is it the children who are telling you, answering you, or you are writing on your own? I can see mothers enjoying this game more than children. Quickly ask the children, बच्चों अभी जो मैम ने पिक्चर दिखाई थी उसके ऊपर कौन से numbers थे? So let's see. I'm going to show the picture in 1 minute to all of you. Can you remember? उसमें 1 number था, Dimple ma'am, आपको याद है?
Yes ma'am, 1 number था.
Ma'am, 8 number था, 8.
8 शायद नहीं था.
Ma'am, 7.
7 भी नहीं था.
Ma'am, 6.
शायद 6 भी नहीं था. 9 भी नहीं था मैम.
8 था. ओके, एक पेरेंट्स कह रहे हैं 8 था. ओके, 6 था पेरेंट्स. नंबर 6 था. Number 6. Do like this. Boo. Can I see children and parents doing this? Okay, number 1 tha. Number 1. Number 2. 2 tha. Okay, 4 tha. 4. Number 4. Okay, number 9 tha. 9. Did you see number 9? Yes. Okay, so अब Dimple मैम ऐसा करते हैं, surprise खोल ही देते हैं. Let's see the picture again.
ठीक है मैम.
So I'm going to share a picture in a minute. A lot of people have seen the picture nicely. No, parents. कि नहीं? Dimple ma'am, parents क्या कह रहे हैं? Pictures खोलें कि नहीं खोलें?
खोल दो मैम.
Okay, चलो, let's see. So let's start hunting. Hunt the numbers is the name of the game. Number 1 is there. Let's clap on time. Ma'am, we'll play a game. जितने numbers हैं उतनी बारी बच्चे clap करेंगे. Let's start doing that. So one time clap. 1 is there. Okay, next is 2. 2 is also there. Very good. 3 is there. Yes. 4 is there. Clap 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is also there. 6 कहाँ है? Can you see 6? I can't see 6. I think 6 नहीं है मैम इसमें, है ना?
नहीं है. 6 नहीं है.
Okay, 7. मैम 7 है?
7 है.
Okay, 8. Number 8
है.
Okay, number 9.
Not there.
Number 9. Okay, नहीं है number 9. And 10?
Is there?
Yes. So let's clap 10 times. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Parents, do you want this game in the activity group? Please write in the chat box. Okay. Now we are starting with the drawing part. Parents, please open the sketchbooks of the children. We are going to make a kite. Did you enjoy the game? Did you enjoy the quiz? Yes? Okay. Quiz bhi enjoy kiya, game bhi kiya, storytelling bhi hua, picture talk bhi hua. Now let's start drawing. Let the children draw. When they draw, drawing is a part of expression. It is a part of STEAM activities like STEA. A is art. When they draw, their emotions come out. So it's very important. Let the children draw on their own. So I'm going to guide you. I open my whiteboard over here. So children, you are going to draw with me. For the parents who are having children above 5 years, they can make kite on their own. For the children who are little young, please put dots like this, diamond shape, and they're going to connect. Okay, so that is one way of making. Another way, if the children are small, tell them to connect the dots, make a diamond shape, make a line in between, and leave it like this. One way is this. So I want children to draw on their own. Mothers, you will not help children at all today because it's a very basic thing. Second is making a kite. Even if the lines are not proper, that's okay because they're small. They cannot be perfect. Then make a string, a little string. Okay? Tell the children कि kite को हम एक door से पकड़ते हैं, string से पकड़ते हैं, right? Once they have made this much, they can start coloring. Now I will share the picture of the kite actually, what the children should be drawing. And I will also share the colors with you. So this is the way the kite will look. Please let the children make the kite on their own. Saffron. Now here there's a little twist, Dimple ma'am. Did you see? Saffron color हमने बीच में कर दिया है. Green ऊपर चला गया है. So parents, you can interchange the colors. You can interchange the colors. You can make it saffron ऊपर. The first color can be saffron, green in between. White, the base is white. And blue is a Shokha chakra. So you can change the color variation according to you, right? So picture is on the screen and we'll wait for everybody. Parents, I want the people who are joining us now, please always be on time because you missed on so many activities. So after this, Dimple ma'am is going to show us the video, how the flag is hosted. So I'm giving you 2-3 minutes to complete the full thing. So let's see what the children are making. I can see a lot of them. Okay, meanwhile the children are completing. Let's quickly hear the song. And I can see many have started coloring also. Dimple ma'am, can you see them coloring?
No ma'am, I can't see them.
I can see some of the children, ma'am, they have started coloring also.
Yes, now I can see them.
Parents, if you have done, please wait for others. Before 2 minutes, we will not start the next activity.
याद करो कुर्बानी। जो शहीद करो कुर्बानी।
All right, children, excellent work by everybody. For the background, parents, you can tell the children to use a light blue color to create the effect of the sky. Now, Dimple ma'am, let's start with the video of
Yes,
flag
ma'am.
hosting ceremony. And children, I know you have done, parents, I know, but we will capture them little later. Let everybody finish and then we will capture them. So now let's start watching the video, specially prepared for our little ones to understand the concept of flag hosting today. So let's start with the video. Children, I want you to concentrate a little on the screen. And after that, I know you all are dressed up in tricolor clothes. We'll try to capture most of you. So please see, and Dimple ma'am is playing the video for you all. Parents,
Right.
children, please see this.
Ma'am, it is about today's video of Narendra Modi hoisting the flag.
Okay, so it's
See?
today's video. A very important video. What happened today in the morning. And as the flag is open, I want all the children to stand up and salute the flag. Please stand up, mothers, fathers, and salute our national flag. This is the pride of our nation. From all the team of My Chota School, we salute to the flag, our national flag. I can see some children still sitting. Please, parents, be a support. Our country does so much for us. The soldiers are fighting every back and now to secure us. Please stand up and pay respect to the flag of our country. I personally will not take name of the parents who can I see, but I request please stand up for a minute and pay respect to the country. It's our national flag. Jai Hind. Give a salute. Jai Hind. This is how the flag of our country is going to rise high and high, and parents, the children are the future leaders. We don't know who will become tomorrow's soldier, who will become tomorrow's PM, prime minister or president, or at a better post. So the message goes strong to all the children. We are one nation. We have to work only for our country, for India, for our Tiranga. We can see the march past happening, and a gesture again of namaste and thanks paid by Modi ji. He's waving the crowd. Waving means to move the hand. Children, can you wave? Can you all wave? Wave your hands. And all the soldiers, the participants of today's event were tested before this. The Dimple ma'am, do you know what happened in the morning? Before testing them, there were different on the sides, there were different testing booths where each
Yes.
and every temperature of each and every person was checked. There was a medical booth and ambulance and the meters which can detect the fever of a person. The people were standing at a distance of 6 meters from each other today. And parents, do you know India kaun si river se bana hai? Which, how did India gets its name? Dimple ma'am, do you know that?
No, ma'am.
It's got its name from Indus. Indus. India. Indus. Okay? So this day reminds us of the sacrifices of the soldiers, freedom fighters who tried their best to make India free. Okay, so now we all have done the flag, and ma'am, let's start with Vande Mataram song. After
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
we are going to capture the children. Yes, I know the tricolor kite is ready, but still let's do the song Vande Mataram with all the children, with all the parents. We have completed 73 years of our independence. So here,
Okay.
yeah.
We ready, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujala, Sufala, Malaya Jashipala, Shashashala, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
I want all the children to sing the song Vande
Krishna,
Mataram.
Kusumita, Dumadale Shobhini, Suhasini, Sumadhura Bhashini.
And I used
Vande
Okay, thank you, Dimple ma'am. Thank you, children. And now, Dimple ma'am, let's see who has made a beautiful kite.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
because ma'am, all the children have made a lot of effort in dressing up in tricolor clothes. So let's see the ones who have completed. Parents, when we come to you, hold the kite like this in your hand.
All the
Okay?
parents hold the kite in your hand so that we can see it. And we are
Yes.
capturing everyone together.
Yeah, it's a collective effort done by us. So we will capture everybody if they have done. Quickly, just
Let your child hold it in his or her hand and we can
I
see
want,
it.
yeah, it should be only children who are holding the kite, not the parents.
Very
Very
beautiful.
nice.
Very beautiful.
Very good. Children, I know you all are wearing tricolor clothes, looking very, very pretty. Oh, I love this one. Midhansh Agarwal, ma'am, if they have made a saffron, white, and green bow. Okay, very nice. Very, very good. Garima's parents are ma'am tying. Dimple ma'am, can you please capture personally Priyanka Bhatt, Midhansh Agarwal? They have made something really nice out of a simple thing, tricolor thing, which I want that you should show to everybody. Uh, and yeah, very good. Good work. Let's appreciate them. Parents, if something extraordinary is there, we will capture you. So we are trying to see. Okay. Ma'am, please capture Vanya Shanai. Sorry, Sahai. Vanya Sahai, hold your kite. We are coming to you. Very good. Vanya. Okay, Ryansh has painted on the face. Very good. Ryansh, ma'am, after this, Ryansh. I want Ryansh Sharma's parents. I saw his picture. You have sent me. Very nice. But please, ma'am, paint utar dena. I hope the paints are kids friendly. They will not create allergy on your child's face. So be very careful. Immediately after the function event, please remove the paint immediately because the children have a sensitive skin. We will also want here Ritvi Johri. She is wearing a kurta and a tricolor dupatta on it. A very nice, again, effort done by parents. Prashant has colored the board. Dimple ma'am, Prashant. Okay, cute. Very cute. Please show the flag, show the kite quickly. Okay, I can see, ma'am, her face also painted from one side. Manas Sinha, I can see the flag on your background. Very good. Bhavya Garg, I can see you. Very nice. Pratyaksh, very good. Very nice work. Rudra, I can see parents, we cannot capture everybody, but we are trying to bring the most of the pictures
Ma'am,
on the
most of them
screen.
can be seen on the screen. So I'm just rotating the screens. Very pretty.
Okay, nice. Very, very nice. Okay, ma'am, they have painted the entire board.
Very pretty.
Very nice.
Very nice. Now, ma'am, should we have the national anthem?
Yes, ma'am, just in a minute. We really appreciate each and every child, but sometimes parents, it's difficult to, capture everybody. But we are trying to do most of you, and you all have worked very hard. For us, each and every child is equal. We will play the national song. Before we do that, parents, I want all the parents, please stand up with your children. And before we are starting the national song, Dimple ma'am, can you tell them tomorrow's special activity based on the tricolor?
Yes, tomorrow we are going to have fireless cooking.
What is that, ma'am?
Ma'am, we are going to, children are going to make something interesting. They're going to make sandwiches where they don't need to cook.
Okay.
So for that, they will keep cucumber, carrots, sauce, and bread slices, and salt and pepper ready.
Okay. Fine. So parents, I hope you have noted the stuff for tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a cooking class where the children are going to cook. And parents, before we go, we want your comments as always in the chat box, and we are going to play the national song, after which the mic will be on and children will say loudly. Okay, the children will say loudly, Happy Independence Day, Jai Hind. So after national song, all the mics will be on. And Dimple ma'am, can we start with the national song now?
Yes, ma'am, just 1 minute starting.
Please stand up, everybody. Uttal Banga, Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga, Uchchal Jaladi Taranga, Tab Shubh Naame Jaage, Tab Shubh Aashish Mange, Gaye Sab Jaya Gata, Jan Gan Mangal Dayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata, Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya 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 He. Jai Hind,
Jai Hind,
Jai Hind,
Jai Hind,
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
I love India.
I love India.
I love India.
I love India.
And the last time and the loudest. I love India.
I love India.
Okay, Dimple ma'am, now allow all the children to interact with us and quickly speak. And parents, please, your comments.
I love India. You can unmute yourself.
India.
I love
I love India.
Very good question, ma'am.
Dimple ma'am, can you please unmute? Dimple ma'am, can you mute everybody? Okay, children, we can see the Josh in you, so much of talented mothers and talented parents. So parents, आपको ज़्यादा credit जाता है, to educators also. I want all the children, tomorrow we will do a cooking class. We will learn color quiz करेंगे, but something different, right? Who wants a quiz and game? Parents, today's session, I'll repeat, was based on the STEAM activities, as I tell always. So what are STEAM activities? What are STEAM activities? They are basically for development of the children. STEAM activities, S is for science, technology, E engineering, A art and craft, M is the numeracy maths. So whenever we do these activities, the children's brain becomes more strong and we are involving all the senses in it, right? Also, I want the suggested activities like make a circle, drawing, flag, quiz. You can all play these games. And we had sent one maze on the activity group. So we will declare the quiz maze tomorrow. We will declare it on the screen. But parents, do practice everything. And Jai Hind, I want you to set a good example for your children in this COVID-19. And we don't know whenever we'll do a virtual class like this. Physically, the children are learning, but virtually we left no unthrown. Please, now over to you, Dimple ma'am. Dimple ma'am, please give a message to all the children.
Okay, my message to all the children is live with peace and togetherness with everybody. Does not matter whether that person is big or small, rich or poor, black or white. We have to live with each other with peace and togetherness.
Parents also, whatever activities they do, please mail us back. Then we will put the pictures in the activity group. Some of them are you doing regularly, so we like to share their activities. But for us, each and every child is important. So when you do it, children also feel nice. And teach the children to say thank you when the class is over. It's a basic manner we are teaching to the child. Thank you, have a good day. Or when get up in the morning, say good afternoon, ma'am. Lot of new things they can learn. So thank you, everybody. And children, can we see all of you waving with full energy? Wave your hands. Bye. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Very good. Ma'am, you can send the pictures on the school's ID, Chota School's ID. Thank you, everybody. And Dimple, ma'am, I think everybody has written their comments, and let's end today's session.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Bye-bye, everybody.